Well, we got another package. Sure, let's check it out. No, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Lead and Steel. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Lead and Steel. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay. Reinforced cardboard box. And we have a paper wrapped item. So in its own plastic bag and sealed. Let's go ahead and get this out. So what this is a basic stripped, as they had listed it, ARC or all-rounder carbine upper receiver. So it does have port cover with the hinge and everything installed. It does have a forward assist round style, and we do have engraved T-marked slots on the top. We do have also a Lead and Steel logo there, and it just needs a charging handle and bolt carrier group. You see this is an olive anodized color. Here's your deflector and also a forge marking there. So just one thing ordered from them, but just wanted to take a quick look here at the configuration of the ARC or all-rounder carbine stripped upper receiver in olive from Lead and Steel. So feel free to check them out. Large variety of items, Lead and Steel. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.